Welcome back, nail crew. So today I'm finally doing my giveaway. So I have 3 giveaways, 5 winners. If you win, please email me or DM me on IG only, okay? And then at the end of the video, I think I'm going to talk about a potential new giveaway. So even if you don't win, stay till the end. Okay, so the first giveaway that I'm doing is a Teespring mask giveaway. So at the bottom of every video, guys, you'll see my Teespring merch. I'm showing it to you here on the screen. So I have masks, I have towels, I have mugs, I have hoodies, I have fanny packs, you guys, I have bags. Click any of those items. It will take you to the Teespring website. You can purchase it and you can be my twinsy. So today, you guys, I'm giving away 2 masks and I'll show you guys there's different colors. So all you have to do is click on the mask and then you could scroll down and you could choose whatever color you want. So I will show you guys. Let's play around with some different colors. I'm going to show you guys blue because my nails are blue and this mask matches my nails so good, you guys. This is so pretty. Okay, what other color do we want to look at? Gray. This gray is so pretty. I love the gray one because it won't get dirty as easy and it kind of matches with everything. All right, let's do one more. Ooh, the red one. The red one is very festive for the holiday. I like the red one as well. Okay, let's see who won. I'm picking 2 winners for the mask. See, Mayo, congratulations. So hit me up in my DM, girl. Give me your address so I can send you your prize. Okay, let's see who's my second winner. Denny, congratulations. You won my second mask. All of us are going to be walking around with our nail crew mask. Okay. Ladies, please either email me your address or send it to me on Instagram only. I'm not checking Facebook or Snapchat or any of that. You have to send it to me, email or IG, because I don't want to be checking 5 different places for all 5 of the winners today. All right, so let's pull our third winner. So this giveaway, this one is an Amazon giveaway. So I'm showing you guys, if you click my Amazon storefront link in the description box and you scroll all the way down to where it says practice makes perfect, if you click that area, it's going to take you to like the practice hands, practice tips, all that fun stuff that we need to practice. So these tips over here, that's the ones I just did the unboxing for you guys. And I really do like the way those fit into the practice hand. So I'm showing it to you guys just to get you more excited about it, just to get you hyped up. But also, if you don't win, you can just click the link in the description box and purchase it for yourself. It's a really good practice hand and I've been using it in almost every video lately. I haven't had any problems with it thus far. So I'm hoping that the winner is super duper excited. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Tanisha. Congratulations, Tanisha. I hope you love it. I hope you love it. So you guys, she said the name of her hand would be Sapphire. And I'm like, well, why Sapphire? Because you know I'm nosy. So I'm nosy. So in order for you to get this, Tanisha, in order for me to release the practice hand to you, not only do you have to, send me your address on Instagram or my email, but you also have to now tell the nail crew why you decided to name her Sapphire. Okay, so you have an extra thing that you have to do. I'm sorry. I just made up that rule because it's my giveaway and I do what I want. So that's what you gotta do, Tanisha. That's what you gotta do. All right, moving on to my third giveaway. So my third giveaway is sponsored by Double Dip. The other 2 if you win, I'm going to send it to you directly from my home. Like I'm in possession of the items. With Double Dip, I'm not in possession of any of the kits. If you win, they're going to make sure that you followed all the rules, and then they will send you out the gift. Okay, so again, I'm going to put the rules up on the screen. If I call your name that you won and you didn't follow all of these rules, you won't get the gift. I'm sorry, okay? So let me just refresh your memory. So the rules were, you have to follow Double Dip on their Facebook group. You have to live in the US. You have to be willing to cover the $6.99 shipping and handling fee. And you had to type in hashtag Double Dip Nails in the comment section, okay? So those were the rules. And here is the kit, you guys. That winter kit that I used in the video could potentially be yours. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. My first winner is Skittles. I don't know why I laugh every time I say that name. I love that name. Actually, I felt like I was just on her Instagram recently stalking like some nails she did. So congrats, Skittles. Congratulations. And my last winner for today is Dawn. Congratulations, Dawn. Woo, woo. Congratulations, everyone. Please don't forget, inbox me or email me right now your mailing address so that I can send your items out to you and you could hopefully get them before Christmas. All right, so let's talk about my next giveaway, you guys. Yes, I'm already thinking about what I'm going to give away next. I'm thinking of doing a shopping spree at Sparkle & Co. I love Sparkle & Co. You guys know that I love, love, love Sparkle & Co. And their product is really, really good. And I like the fact that they're dip powders. So for my beginners, it would be really, really good for you guys to get a dip kit. But also, their powders can be used very well with monomer. So I feel like that's the best company if I'm going to sponsor a giveaway for the holidays. Let me know what you guys think about that. Check out the website. Look through it, see if it's something that you guys will feel will be a really good or beneficial giveaway, and then come back, comment, let me know. I'll leave the link to Sparkle & Co. in the description box, but I'll also leave the coupon code in case you guys are searching around and find something that you want to purchase. You guys can do that as well. But anyway, that is it. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for rocking with me to the end. I love you guys so much, and bye.